Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Parkway local and long-distance movers near me. Our qualified movers know how to make sure your long-distance move does not include all the stress. When you want to move 100 miles away or even 1,000 miles away, we will help. With us, you get all of the right moving services to make relocating so much simpler. Along with loading, transportation, and unloading, we also offer a lot of other moving services including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Choosing to hire a local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. A deeper look at the advantages you receive from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a smart decision. You are going to definitely save time with your local move when you hire a moving company. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our expert movers provide effectiveness with each and every move. If you want an efficient moving day, 3Movers is the proper choice for you. We can easily complete even the biggest moves in only a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Parkway moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.